This is the teeny tiny Keychain 3-in-1 portable charger I was sent a review from INIU. It'll charge your watch wirelessly, your phone, and another device. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. Just press here to turn it on, and you see your remaining battery level right here. So easy. There's no wall plug included, so to charge this, you're gonna plug this into your computer or a wall block that you have. So it flashes like this when it's charging. It's not magnetic. To charge up your phone or other device, you just plug this in there. There is an additional input or output right here. You just need your own cord for that. And then when you're done, you just pop it back in here, and it is so compact. Throw it in your bag, hang it onto your backpack, just so handy. This is the INIU model P81 mini keychain power bank. So sleek and cute, very smooth feel. It's 5,000 milliampere capacity. You can wirelessly charge your watch here, and then to charge your phone or other device, you can use the attached USB-C cord, or provide your own cord and use this port. So you can do 1, 2, 3 at a time. Both the cable and this port have maximum 15 watts in, 20 watts out. And the wireless watch is 5 watts charging power. Super lightweight, tiny, powerful, flexible. I love it, and I know you will too.